This in France. You know, my chest as well.
So what does that mean for you?
It's a lot about my brothers and just my wife, and I got my kids and my missus' name here. So, yeah, not too bad. Feel good. I think the team are prepared. Had about 2-3 months together, so I think we're just waiting to play now. So that, you know, we're looking forward to playing Canada and improving again, and then obviously that big game against England. Just a bit of unfinished business, you know. Obviously dropped out of the World Cup in 2011, so I had to kind of make up for that. But and obviously with the World Cup being, you know, in my home in England, so you know, the chance to play in front of my family and friends was, you know, too big to miss. Me?
The props, yeah. Is that true?
Nah, it's not true. Nah, it's not true. I think some big eaters on our team. Sunia Kotu is a big eater. Namani Nandola is a big eater. Campesi Muff is a very big eater. You can tell by the size of his stomach. Being in Fiji is probably the coconut. You know, I don't have it in England, so that's probably my favourite here. And
Outside of Fiji?
Outside of Fiji is probably just the Nando's in UK is pretty good. So yeah, yeah, it's probably my favourite. There's a long session we did up in UPS ground. It was raining, it was muddy. It was I think it was like 80 minutes long, did non-stop. That was a tough one, and obviously the stairs in the middle of the town was yeah, it wasn't the greatest.
What did you have to do there?
It's up 13 flights of stairs with a rock in your hand, in teams of 4 or 5. And it's who gets the most stones in the bucket in an hour. So obviously running up and down 13 flights of stairs in an hour is pretty painful.
Nandolo said his team won, is that true?
Yeah, we're on the same team.
Okay.
Yeah, so Team Pink won.
So you were first?
Yeah, because I had 2 or 3 rocks in each. Yeah, I cook a lot at home. Favourite dish to cook? It's probably my curries. Yeah, my curries are pretty good at home. They seem to go down well.
Which curry?
Chicken, fish. Yeah.
And who taught you how to do the curry?
My dad. Yeah, my dad.
That's the Fiji curry or the India curry?
Fiji one.
Fiji
Yeah.
So you got all the spices all stocked up there?
Yeah, not too spicy. I can't take the spice.
So what, you got the masala?
Masala, cumin, everything, yeah.
All it is to be stocked up? Readily available?
Nah.
No.
Always go
How
to
do
the
you get
markets. I just go to the markets or the superstores there. They always do good spices, herbs and spices. Yeah.
Your roommates with Ben Volovola?
Yeah.
How's it been?
Good. We found out that we're actually second cousins.
Okay.
So yeah, no, it's been really good. We haven't left each other's side. It's like having a brother. So it's been good. Learning so much off of him, and you know, vice versa. You know, so no, he's going to go far in his international career. You know, I'm happy for him. Rush Hour 2.
Rush Hour 2.
Yeah.
You Jackie Chan?
Chris Tucker. Yeah, Chris Tucker, my favourite.
So what's your favourite part in the movie?
The Michael Jackson, the karaoke.
Can you do that?
A couple more beers on us. Favourite song? Like everyone. Country music, some Fijian music.
Which one do you listen to when you miss Fiji?
I don't know what the group's called, but listen to Mulumini Tumbo. Yeah, Senga Nicola.
Okay.
Yeah.
Senga Nicola.
Yeah.
Okay. And English?
English, quite like Chris Brown. Quite like country music, so Kenny Chesney is pretty good. Reba. Yeah, a bit of everything really. I like every music. It's good. I got some very close friends that play for England. They've been selected, so it's a bit happy for them. Been texting them and tweeting them like, It's going to be fun. Obviously, growing up in England, you get to play with and against all the players that are in the squad. So I've got quite a lot of insight in them, and also Wales as well. My club team, I think about 70% of the players play in my club. So hopefully I could pass on my knowledge to some of the management and the boys playing. So. Some of it, just the bad words, I think. It's the swear words. A bit of mixture really, some Fijian, some English. All the calls are obviously in Fijian, so getting to know them and understand what they mean, that's a massive thing, especially being at Flyhalf. You've got to know all your calls, so all of that's in Fijian, which is not too bad. I know all the simple words like go, come, left, right, push, so kick and pass, so I know all that stuff. It's just when they're all together and joking around, it's got to try and listen for one voice and hear what they're talking about. They probably are, yeah. I don't care. Just keep doing what you're doing. It's probably, as a country, this is probably the most supported rugby team I've ever seen. Everyone loves Fiji and loves the rugby and what it stands for. So, we're going to do our best. We're not going to go to the World Cup to lose. We're there to win our games. So, please be positive. It's one of the toughest pools ever in a World Cup. So, it's going to be a tough ask. Getting out of the pool. It's going to be a very tough ask, as is England, Australia and Wales. It's going to be a struggle for every team in that pool, so just stick with us and stay positive, and it means a lot to us as players. Thank you.